Now, U.S. markets will be closed tomorrow for the July 4th holiday, but they stayed open a little longer today. Michelle McCory has the details from New York. And Michelle, they didn't stay open for celebrations, did they?
No, quite the contrary, Huss. And you know, with the 4th of July long weekend starting tomorrow, you know that everyone was just itching and anxious to get the holiday started and to rush out of the office, away from the desk, away from the trading floor, so that they can hit the road and get started with the holiday as soon as the closing bell rang. But that's when you can count on old Murphy's Law to kick in, and the NYSE close was actually delayed by 15 minutes because of what was described as system irregularities. The NYSE had connectivity issues that prevented some orders from being completed at the traditional 4 p.m. Eastern Time close. Now, as a result, traders were allowed to manually execute orders until 4:15 p.m. Unlike other stock markets, the New York Stock Exchange still uses specialists or actual traders who hold mini auctions, and that helped to set the price of a stock. So while electronic trading does make up the bulk of trading at the big board, specialists still handle some of the order flow on the exchange floor. Huss?
Michelle, we're halfway through 2009. Which stock markets have been the best and worst performers?
Well, you know, interestingly enough, Linda, you know that saying it's tough at the top? Well, it's been a tough 2009 for the index that's meant to reflect the world's top companies. And that, of course, is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. In fact, the Dow has fallen 5% since December 31st. And that is the most among benchmarks for the 10 biggest stock markets, including Japan, China, Brazil, and the UK. Now, the best performing market, the Shanghai Stock Exchange Composite Index. You can see it there in the orange line on the chart on the screen. Second best, the Sensex, or the Bombay Stock Exchange Sensitive Index. Second worst performer, Germany's DAX, only to be outdone by the Dow, which was, in fact, the worst performer. Now, the Dow, in theory, is made up of the 30 top U.S. companies, and it also trailed the S&P 500 index and the small-cap Russell 2000 index. And even the biggest revamp of the Dow since the 1930s hasn't helped. In the past 15 months, 5 companies, that's Citigroup, AIG, General Motors, Altria, and Honeywell International, have all been removed, and they've been replaced by Travelers, Cisco, Kraft Foods, Bank of America, and Chevron. But as Linda, it still hasn't helped push the Dow up, well, at least not for the first half of 2009. Let's see what the second half has in store. Maybe the fireworks on 4th of July will cause some sparks in the Dow as well. Huss?
And happy 4th of July to you, Michelle McCory.
Thank you.